Cherokee has the unique feature of being able to switch from the factory interface to the wireless interface by using one small button on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. But remember, we've also installed the manual trigger down here, the remote trigger. So you can press and hold that for about 3 seconds and switch between both interfaces. And also that wired connection. It's your preference, wired or wireless. What you want to make sure of is that your phone, whether it's an Android or an Apple device, you want to make sure that your Wi-Fi is on, but that you are not connected to any networks. So if you're like me and you're at home, your phone or your tablet or whatever you're using, it's probably already connected to your home network. So what you want to do is go into your Wi-Fi settings. Do not turn Wi-Fi off. Simply disconnect from your home network. Also, for your Bluetooth, make sure your Bluetooth is turned on your phone, but that you're not currently playing audio or connected to any other devices during this initial setup. You want to look for Auto Smart Link. Find Auto Smart Link. Click to pair. After pairing successful, a prompt will appear. Click to use Android Auto. Check pairing codes. Welcome to Android Auto. Android Auto should automatically appear. If not, reset your network settings, your Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth on your wireless device. Turn off the vehicle, turn it back on again, restart your phone, and attempt to connect again. Now we are going to explore some of what Android Auto has to offer.